political bail. So what I'm going to
Ever since President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni expressed his move on opposing the law of granting bail to capital offence offenders and the sentence of life imprisonment, the public has come out with different opinions. Emeritus Justice Professor Prof Kanyeihamba has also joined the public to express his opinion on the issue of bail.
I have not been influenced by any political party. I have never belonged to any political party, although previously I supported the UPs when I was a schoolboy.
According to Professor Kanyeihamba, abolishing the bail law, this will be an infringement on the rights of Ugandans and the freedom guaranteed under the Constitution.
I have come here to use our power under the Constitution. So the mayor of Kampala have gone by the wayside and they have decided to have a caucus meeting and come up with a law that will modify and deny ordinary suspects, innocent people, the right to apply for bail. That is what I am here.
One of the reasons of granting bail is to decongest our prisons. Our prisons are congested. Now, when you remove bail, you have nowhere to put people. And when you remove bail, even the police bond, it means it will be done away with.
This has prompted Professor Kanyeihamba, through his legal team led by Arias Lukwago, Peter Walubiri and others, to show his intention of petitioning Constitutional Court over this matter.
Any person who claims that a fundamental other right of freedom guaranteed under this Constitution has been infringed or threatened is entitled to apply to a competent court for redress, which may include compensation.
Professor Kanyeihamba also had reservations on how some issues are discussed in Parliament and Cabinet, which he says are likely to lead the country into distress.
But those numbers, those caucus, are obtained by corruption, by bribes, you know that. We've had so many by challenges.
But what do other independent lawyers say about the move?
I don't see the need to remove bail because removing bail is touching everyone's fundamental right. You have seen various instances where many people have been arrested without offense. They take you after 1 or 2, 3 months, the DPP comes and says, I've withdrawn the case.
Shall follow the law, because our duty is to follow. We are there to follow the law as it is. So if it changes and it provides that there will not be any bail granted, it will be followed.
In his proposal, President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni also disagrees with the penalty of life imprisonment to offenders and convicts on capital offences. However, the judiciary clarifies on this matter and its genesis.
A person who has been sentenced to death and who has not been executed within 3 years after the sentence has been confirmed, that person's sentence will turn into life imprisonment. It was later decided again by the Constitutional Court that life imprisonment means the rest of the life in prison. So it's easy to mean 20 years, but it means the person is to spend the rest of his or her life in prison.
The proposal, which is still under public debate, will also have to be approved by other stakeholders, including Cabinet, after which it will be assented to President Deborah Namamonde. Nantongo Rebecca, UBC News.
Evolution of constitutional law